7 AI skills that will make you 6 or maybe 7 figures in 2025. Let's be honest. You've probably seen a video that says make $10,000 with AI in 7 days using ChatGPT. So what you did was you tried. You created a chatbot, wrote a few blog posts, maybe even built a website. But you are still not making real money. Why? Because 87% of people learning AI chase tools and not skills. They follow viral trends instead of understanding what businesses actually pay for. So right now, businesses are begging for people who can help them implement AI in practical, profit-driven ways. They are not looking for generalists, they are looking for problem solvers. What if 6 months from now you are charging $3,000 to automate what a business owner hates doing manually? What if you are helping brands save $50,000 a year with tools that costs you nothing to use? You don't need a tech degree, you need these 7 skills. The 7 skills that will make you 6 or maybe 7 figures. Skill number 1, prompt engineering. The superpower behind all AI tools. Why it matters? Every AI tool starts with a prompt. A good prompt is like giving GPS directions to a genius. A bad one? It's like yelling go in a random direction. The framework that we would be using is role. Who should the AI be? The context. What is the situation? Task. What should it do? The audience. Who is it for? And the format. What structure should the output follow? For an example, you are a copywriter. The context is a new protein bar for fitness moms. The task is writing a sales page. The audience is moms aged between 30 to 45. The format is headline, emotional story with 3 benefits and a CTA. You should be saving prompt templates for tasks you do weekly, email, posts, summaries. Now this becomes your AI assistant. Skill number 2 is AI automation, the 24/7 system that sells, follows up and organizes. Why it matters? Most small businesses waste hours on manual tasks. Appointment reminders, follow-up emails, lead tagging. Now these can all be automated. Tools that you can use could be Go High Level, could be Zapier, could be Make.com, could be Lindy.ai, could be NetN, and so many of these. For example, a dental clinic spend 15 hours per week on admin tasks, and you set up a 5-hour automation. Result, 60 plus hours saved every month. That is $15,000 in value, and your setup fee is only $3,000. That's an immense amount of value. You can also offer a free automation audit, identify savings, sell setup package based on ROI. Skill number 3 is AI development. And there's no computer science degree that's needed. Turn ideas into tools that solve real problems. Start with maybe Python, APIs, ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and Kaggle for practice and portfolio building. For an example, you build a chatbot that summarizes long documents from legal firms or HR departments. Show it to one firm. Offer a monthly fee for access. The income range could be, for beginners, it could be between $2,000 to $5,000 per project, and for professionals, it could be $25,000 plus. Solutions for niche industries. Skill number 4, AI data analysis. Turn data into business gold. Why it matters? Businesses sit on a gold mine of data, but don't know how to read it. You help them extract insights using AI. Tools to learn could be SQL, Excel plus AI, Power BI or Tableau, Data Robot or H2O.ai for predictions. The consulting model could look like audit their data, ask what decisions do you need to make, run the analysis, show the ROI and guide the action. For an example, a client losing customers after purchase. You identify the churn point, fix it, They recover $180,000 in lifetime value. You charge $8,000. Fair enough. Skill number 5, AI copywriting. Use words that convert without being a copywriter. Why it matters? Emails, landing pages, ads, these drive revenue. Most businesses either write weak copy or pay $5,000 and more to professionals. What you do? Use AI to write compelling, persuasive copy. Build prompts with emotion, urgency, proof, and clarity. Measure results, clicks, and conversions. Niche ideas that you can scale to: SaaS sales emails, health product ad copy, coaching program landing pages. Track the results. Which one email gets 45% open rate? Use it as a case study. Now that is your marketing. Skill number 6, AI assisted software development. Build simple tools that delivers big results. What you can use: Replit plus GitHub Copilot, Bolt, Lovable, Bubble, and Webflow build no-code tools with AI help. The project ideas could look like building a lead scoring app for realtors, create a calculator for service-based businesses, automate onboarding for coaches or consultants. Don't sell software, sell business outcomes. For example, this tool saves you 20 hours per week, worth $40,000 per year. My setup fees, $10,000. Skill number 7, AI design. Now, professional looking visuals in minutes. Tools that you can master: Canva AI, Magic Studio, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, DALL-E, etc. What you can offer: social media content packages, branded PDFs and lead magnets, complete brand kits for startups. How do you monetize? Monthly retainers, $500 to $2,000 per month, sell editable templates, or brand strategy plus execution in bundle. Now these are the 7 skills. Your success stack is the AI wealth stack. The foundation is prompt engineering. Master this first. Then specialization. Choose 1 to 2 skills that match your interest. And then the business focus. Don't offer AI services. Offer: I help dentists automate patient communication, or I help coaches launch faster using AI. So this is how your 30, 60, 90-day action plan should look like. Day 1 to 30. Practice prompting daily using the RCTAF. Pick your niche skill. Build your first mini portfolio project. Day 31 to 60. Reach out to 5 businesses with free audit offer. Document results. Get 1 testimonial. Package your service. And days 61 to 90. Land 3 to 5 clients. Turn results into case studies. Raise prices. Scale using referrals or freelancing sites. Now, businesses don't want AI experts. They want problem solvers who can deliver results with AI. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to know 50 tools. You need to master 1 skill, solve 1 painful problem, and serve 1 type of client. Start today. Share the first prompt, first automation, or first design in the community. Or comment below and I'll share you access to this complete course on AI wealth building absolutely free. Yes, it is absolutely free and it's worth more than $1,000. So I'll see you there.